Imagine floating alone in space, surrounded by complete silence. No sound, no wind, nothing. Ahead of you, there is something strange, a dark sphere, darker than space itself, a black hole, one of the most terrifying and mysterious objects in the universe. But what would actually happen if you got too close? And what truly lies inside a black hole? For decades, scientists have tried to answer this question, yet even today, no one truly knows what waits beyond its darkness. A black hole is created when a massive star dies. After burning for millions of years, the star eventually runs out of fuel. And when that happens, gravity wins. The star collapses in on itself with unimaginable force, creating a point so dense that space and time themselves begin to break apart. The gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape. Not dust, not planets, not even light itself. And that is why black holes appear completely dark. Because once light enters, it never returns. Around every black hole, there is an invisible boundary called the event horizon, the point of no return. If anything crosses this line, escape becomes impossible. Imagine standing near it, watching the darkness slowly grow larger before your eyes. At first, nothing unusual would seem to happen. You might see stars behind the black hole beginning to bend and distort. Light itself curves around it. The universe would look warped, almost unreal. But the closer you get, the stranger things become. Gravity near a black hole is not normal gravity. It is extreme. If your feet were slightly closer to the black hole than your head, gravity would pull harder on them. This creates something terrifying, called spaghettification. Your body would slowly stretch, longer and longer, until you are pulled apart, atom by atom. And the worst part? From your perspective, you might still be alive during the process, but something even stranger happens with time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity can slow down time, and black holes contain the strongest gravity in the universe. If someone watched you falling into a black hole from far away, they would see you moving slower and slower. As you approach the event horizon, you would appear almost frozen in time. Your image would slowly fade away until you disappeared completely. But from your own perspective, time would feel completely normal. You would continue falling, deeper and deeper into darkness. Imagine looking back at Earth for the very last time. The stars around you would slowly begin to disappear. One by one, the lights of the universe would fade away, and somewhere ahead, there would only be darkness, endless darkness. No sound, no light, no escape, only silence. The deeper you fall, the more distorted reality becomes. Space itself would begin to twist around you. Time would lose meaning. Seconds, minutes, hours might no longer exist the way humans understand them. This creates one of the biggest mysteries in physics. What really happens after crossing the event horizon? Some scientists believe you would eventually reach the singularity, a point with infinite density where the laws of physics completely collapse, a place where space, time, and matter may no longer exist in the way we understand them. Inside the singularity, our understanding of reality breaks down. The equations stop working. Physics itself can no longer explain what happens there. It is quite possible that the true center of a black hole is beyond human understanding. But there are even stranger theories. Some scientists think black holes may actually be gateways, perhaps to another universe, or another part of our own universe. Imagine entering a black hole and emerging somewhere else entirely. A cosmic tunnel through space and time. These hypothetical tunnels are called wormholes. They have never been discovered, but mathematically, they may be possible. If wormholes exist, black holes might not just destroy things. They could connect distant regions of the universe itself. Imagine traveling instantly across billions of light years, reaching galaxies humanity has never seen, worlds no telescope could ever find. Perhaps somewhere beyond a wormhole, there are civilizations looking into the sky, asking the same questions we ask. But there is a problem. Most scientists believe wormholes would collapse instantly. Anything entering them would likely be destroyed immediately. Still, the idea remains fascinating. A hidden doorway inside darkness itself. But black holes are not only destructive monsters. Surprisingly, they also shape the universe. At the center of almost every galaxy, including our Milky Way, there's a supermassive black hole. Some contain millions, or even billions, of times the mass of our sun. And despite their terrifying nature, galaxies may not even exist without them. These giant black holes influence the motion of stars, control enormous amounts of matter, and may even help galaxies form and grow. In a strange way, they are part of the reason we exist. Without them, the universe might look completely different. But perhaps the most terrifying thought is this. There may be black holes wandering silently through space, completely invisible. Dark objects drifting through the universe. You would never see them coming. Only their gravity would reveal their presence. Imagine a black hole passing through our solar system. Even from a great distance, its gravity could disrupt planetary orbits. Entire worlds could be thrown into chaos. Planets might collide, moons could disappear, and Earth itself could be pulled into darkness. Fortunately, the nearest known black hole is incredibly far away, at least for now. But black holes are not eternal. In 1974, scientist Stephen Hawking proposed something shocking. Black holes may slowly lose energy over time. They emit tiny amounts of radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. This means black holes could eventually evaporate. But the process is unbelievably slow. A massive black hole would take far longer than the current age of the universe to disappear completely. Even black holes do not live forever. And one day, far in the future, the last black holes in the universe may finally vanish, leaving behind a silent, cold, and empty universe. Today, scientists continue studying black holes, using advanced telescopes and detectors. And in 2019, humanity captured the first real image of a black hole, a glowing ring surrounding complete darkness. For the first time in history, we saw one with our own eyes. And recently, scientists have even detected gravitational waves, ripples in space and time, created when black holes collide. These discoveries are changing how we understand the universe. But despite all this progress, the biggest mystery remains unanswered. What truly exists inside a black hole? Maybe the answer will completely change physics forever. Maybe black holes hide secrets about time itself. Or perhaps they are doorways to places humanity will never reach. The truth is, black holes force us to confront something terrifying. There are parts of the universe that may always remain beyond human understanding. And perhaps that is what makes them so fascinating. Because somewhere in the darkness of space, far beyond Earth, there are objects so powerful that they can bend time, warp reality, and swallow light itself. And one day, humanity may finally uncover what hides beyond the event horizon. But until then, black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Silent, dark, waiting